In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to your Squarespace shape and image blocks. We're going to keep this simple and precise so you can get a clean border around a single block without affecting the rest of your site. First, make sure you have a browser extension that reveals Squarespace block IDs installed and ready. This tool lets you see and copy the unique ID for any block on your page, which is exactly what we need to target just one image or shape with custom CSS. Next, head into your site editor and open the main website area, then move into your Pages panel. Navigate to the page that contains the image or shape you want to style. You'll be using this page to grab the block's ID in a moment, so keep it open. Now open your site's custom code tools, and from there, go into the custom CSS section. This is the safe place to add design-only tweaks without touching your content. In the CSS editor, you'll paste a short snippet to create the border. We'll personalize it in just a second. With the CSS panel open, turn on your ID Finder extension and hover over the target block on your page. Click the block's ID when it appears. Most ID Finder tools copy the ID directly to your clipboard, which is perfect. Back in the custom CSS editor, paste that ID into your code so it targets just that block. For example, paste something like this and replace the placeholder with your copied ID. Hash your block ID / border 2px solid hash 000, border radius 8px. That single rule draws a 2-pixel solid black border and rounds the corners slightly. You'll see the result update in your preview right away. From here, customize to taste. Increase the thickness by changing 2px to 4px or more. Swap solid for dashed or dotted if you want a different style. Change the color to a hex code or a named color like hash E0, E0, E0 for a subtle gray or red for something bold. Adjust border radius to 0 for sharp corners or a larger value for a pill-like look. Because you're using the block's unique ID, your changes apply only to that specific image or shape block, leaving everything else untouched. That's it. You use the ID Finder to select the exact block, opened custom code, and then custom CSS, pasted your border rule, clicked to capture the block's ID, and added it to your CSS. With those steps, you can add clean, consistent borders to any Squarespace shape or image block quickly and confidently.